Hey, what's up? How's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Anguirus from everything Godzilla, right? He's been in a bunch of Godzilla movies. Anguirus is a very, very famous character. I'm going to go through how to draw it step by step. That's it. Let's jump right into the lesson. All right, let's get started. I'm going to go over how to draw Anguirus. Ready? From the Godzilla stuff. So let's get going. I'm going to go over here and start with Anguirus' face, kind of on this side. Alright, I'm going to go here. Curve around here. Curve the nose. Up. Down. Yeah, Anguirus is like a kind of a horn on the front of his snout. Down over here. Gonna go over here on this side, pull up, back. Line over here for the eye, pull up, and find the eye area. And out over here, I find the top of the brow. Gonna go over here in this area. Line. Down. Line here. Line here. Line here. Gonna go over here on this side. One long tooth here. Go over here. Long tooth over here. Curve. Curve down. Line over here. And line over here. Teeth. Down. Curve. Line over here for the horn. Anguirus is basically Anguirus just gets his butt kicked a lot, in my opinion. Line up, curve, curve. I'm gonna go over here, down, 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 down. Curve underneath, curve around here, back, line right here, and here for this horn, back right here for a horn right here. He's got like this kind of crest of horns on his head. Line over here. Over here, curve for the tongue. Over here for the mouth, right there, opening the mouth there. And over here on this side, I'm gonna have like a curve right here for the skin. And I'm gonna go right here for the bottom of the mouth area over here. Pull in. And right here, curve underneath, curve, bottom of the jaw, and we curve back. Like so. I'm giving the jaw a little bit more structure because Anguirus is a, you know, they use these puppet things. Line over here. But I want to give a little bit more structure into Anguirus' face. A curve, right here, right here. here. Up. Line, 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 line. And I'm gonna go over here and I'm going to draw Anguirus' neck. Okay, go out. Gonna go over here, curve underneath for the throat. Over here, down, curve along the back. Line over here for, he's gonna have like a turtle shell with spikes, but before that, I'm gonna go over here and draw his arms down here, down, over here on the back side, out, down, curve, line over here at the elbow, curve line here, and finding the bottom of the body here. Alright, let's go over here to this side and draw the hind leg. Curve in, down, back, back over here, and down. Alright, find the other portion underneath here. Curve over here. And now I'm gonna think of like this dome here, and I'm gonna have to do this zigzag for Anguirus' shell. Like so. Curve, hind leg over here, and down. Anguirus is digigrade. I think call it digigrade. Plantigrade, digigrade, meaning he walks on his digits. You know, like a horse or something like that. And sometimes I make him look plantigrade, meaning like he plants his entire foot on the floor the way we do. The reason they do that sometimes is because there's a guy in a suit in there, but we know better. We are gonna give him more of a different look, like an animal look. We want that animal hind leg. Go over here, line, right here, down, and down, over here, line, line, curve, 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 right here, and line, 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 line. And a lot of this is going to be, we want to shortcut this middle area here. We don't want to draw every single spike, so we're going to be drawing some spikes, like here, here, just kind of placing them all over. I'm gonna place them all over to give it a the idea that they are placed everywhere. Alright. Go around here. And let's give Anguirus a little bit of kind of like some texture here. So a curved texture right here for the scales. Curve line here. Maybe underneath, you have the kind of tongue there. Now a lot of this is going to be more a more of a kind of details game now, right? We're drawing these thin lines here and here, just kind of giving him a little bit more, character, just kind of here in the face as well. Because I'm doing this on larger paper, I can do that. Don't forget, by the way, hit that like if you like the larger paper, or just request something. I want to start putting everything on this channel. Request anybody and anything, and I will make it happen. Let's draw like a thicker line around the edge here. Curve here. Same thing, I'm just kind of drawing the outer, like a thicker outer line, because it tends to make things look a little bit better when you do that. It tends to make details more like pop out more, and kind of just I don't know how to say it. It tends to make things look a little bit more complicated as far as details go. And I'm not sure what it is exactly. It just kind of helps you focus on, it gives you like a hierarchy, I guess. Focus on one thing first, and then the other, and it just gives it a much different feel to the whole thing. I'll move that over here a little bit. Maybe over here. Let's move it over a little bit here. Yeah, let me move that over. But yeah, that's Anguirus from Godzilla. Let me know what you think. Hopefully you were able to either follow along or just kind of watch for fun. It's kind of relaxing to do that. Like I said, I opted for bigger paper. Wait, well, got kind of a line here. Opted for bigger paper. Let me know if you liked it, okay?
Alright, and if you want to keep learning how to draw and keep pushing your skills, go right here to this video on here, on this side. That video I put because it's the exact same theme as the video you just saw, and it I like it as a bit of a pair. So absolutely go check that out right now, another short video.